The additional request section is a space for you to tell our designers any other information you might like. So for instance, if you're choosing a design, you can see that there's variations within the mock-ups, within layouts, various elements. This is the space to let us know, for instance, if you like the pink peony over the white peony, or the bluebird over the butterfly, or both, or none. This is a space to let us know those details. And also any image requests, if you'd like us to crop your image, or if we can fix the lighting easily, that's not a problem, we will do that. There are some Photoshop requests that do require a little bit more time. That would be work like this, for instance, so removing of the background here and cloning work, and saturation work was done on this image to highlight the details. This is a little bit more labour intensive, so we need to charge for this service. If you're unsure whether your request is labour intensive or not, just give us a call or an email, or pop a quick note in this section here, and we will get back to you once we've seen your image and heard your request. We'll present the best way forward, and if there's any additional charges, we'll let you know before we commence any alteration work.